Hello Tomodachi! Today, I'm ungatekeeping one of my all-time favorite and cheapest supermarkets in Tokyo, OK Supermarket. If you think Don Quijote is the bargain king, wait till you see how OK quietly beats it. No tax-free, but still cheaper. Yes, grabe! Hey guys, it's Ken. So today, we're doing something a little different. Instead of eating out, we're doing a full-on grocery adventure. But not just any groceries. We're diving into OK Supermarket, a low-key discount chain that locals love. And trust me, this is where we buy most everything we bring home to the Philippines. Chocolates, noodles, snacks, skincare, cooking ingredients, and the list goes on. The prices? Way cheaper than Donkey. I swear, grabe. And honestly, it's kind of like a mini treasure hunt every time we go here. Let's go inside. So why do we love OK so much? First, it's everyday low prices. No crazy flashy sales, no gimmicks. You just know what you see is usually cheaper than almost anywhere else in Tokyo. They have fresh produce, meats, ready-made meals, snacks, drinks, even alcohol. Everything is really well stocked, and it feels like they focus on quality without the big markup. Solid, grabe.
Parang ito maganda rin, naka-portion na. 355 yun. Okay siya. Baka na. Let's get something.
Another thing we love is that it's super simple to shop here. The store layout is clean, prices are clearly labeled, and honestly, it's a stress-free grocery run. No crazy crowds like Donkey, no giant wholesale bulk like Yomu, just easy shopping.
Tuna. So, lagyan mo ng cheese. Corn mayo siya. Teriyaki. A burger.
Quick tips if you're shopping at OK. Look for their weekly specials. Sometimes they mark certain items even lower than the usual low price. Check out the ready-made meals. Some of these are seriously fresh and delicious, like bento boxes or sandwiches. Bring your OK Club card if you have one. Every little discount counts when you're buying a bunch of items to bring home. Another cool thing, you can get the OK Club card, which gives you a 3% off food every time you shop. No membership fee. Not totally sure if you have to be a Japanese resident. Some stores might check, but we've seen some foreigners get it too. Honestly, every little discount counts when you're stocking up on snacks or cooking ingredients to take home, di ba?
Manok. Parang sa Gyomo masarap. Ito, tingnan mo, dry oh. 980. Ang karagi. 1 kilo.
May ibang ganun.
Ay, no, may masarap na sausage.
Ito longganisa.
Ayan, parang masarap din yan.
Masarap din, parang longganisa.
Sige, bili tayo. Kaya, iyan mo na lang. Pwede rin, try natin.
Okay, try natin.
Ano
Let's walk through some of my favorite sections. First up, the chocolate and snacks aisle. This is where we spend a lot of time. Japanese chocolates are usually so affordable here, and they make perfect pasalubong. Let me show you something cool. These chocolate packs are less than half the price compared to Donkey, even without tax-free.
Hanggang.
Temporary low price lang daw. Temporary. Ayan. Ano to?
Walang date.
If you're loving these Tokyo budget tips, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite Japanese snack to bring home? I wanna know. Shopping here is kinda like a mini adventure every time. You never know what new snacks or ingredients they have, and it's way cheaper than what you'd pay at other stores. We also love picking up small gifts for friends, like cute Japanese snacks or little drinks. Even if it's just a small thing, it's a solid pasalubong. Next up, instant noodles and cooking ingredients. We always pick up ramen packs, miso, soy sauce, and little snacks that are fun to share with friends and family back home. And yes, skincare. Tomodachi. This is a budget-friendly spot for face masks, lotion, and other small skincare items that are easy to pack. Perfect for pasalubong or just treating yourself. Honestly, this is why we're coming back. You can literally fill your shopping basket with gifts, snacks, and daily groceries without hurting your wallet.
Dapat anong gawin ko sa katawan? Mga po, dapat kapit kayo mga ganito. Hindi yung sabon na bar. Maganda sa katawan yung dapat. Sabon sa katawan. Mura nga siya dito kasi sa hindi mapasa yung pao.
Choose.
Uno.
Ay, hindi. Ewan ko sa uno.
Shiseido yung uno eh.
Itong uno kasi, pangilamos ko, moisturizer ko.
Ay,
Uno
no.
talaga. So, hindi ba? 270 lang. Ano to?
So what do we usually get? Let me show you. Chocolates and sweets for pasalubong and snacking. Instant noodles, the ones we love to cook at home. Cooking ingredients: miso, soy sauce, sauces, even little snacks to cook with. Skincare goodies, face masks, lotions, and small items for gifts. Everything here is cheap, good quality, and perfect to take home. Sometimes we spend an hour just walking through aisle, looking for the next hidden gem. Alright, Tomodachi, time to check out. Look at these! We have a cart full of chocolates, noodles, cooking ingredients, skincare, all under a budget, worth every yen. So that's my take on OK Supermarket. Not flashy, no tax-free for tourists, but if you want cheap, good quality groceries, especially for pasalubong or things to bring home to the Philippines, this is the spot. Don't forget to subscribe for more Tokyo tips. Like if this helped you, and share this video with anyone who's always asking, where do you buy cheap food in Tokyo? Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Mata ne!